Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a split screen on Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Google Chrome, and then from here we need to basically go to our extensions. So click on the three dots and then click onto extensions and then visit Chrome Web Store. And now where it says search extensions and themes, click on split, type in split screen for Google Chrome. Here it is here. So this is the extension you want to grab. So now this has got over 300,000 users. It's got 3.8 star rating. So go ahead and click on add to Chrome. And now you want to go ahead and click on add extension. And now that's going to go ahead and quickly download and install it. So here we go. Split screen for Google Chrome has been added to Chrome. So you can go ahead and check out the features here. Have a good read of that. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and click on my extensions and then click on split screen for Chrome. And now this is how we can set up our screen. So if you want to do a dual layout, and we've got a four screen layout. So I'm just going to click on this one here, dual. So now this is going to split screen it like this. Now if I come back again, click on the split screen. If I want to do like a four-way, I can go ahead and do that too. So there you go. That's how to do a split screen on Google Chrome.